No. Oh, come on. What happened? Okay, so yeah, I just checked. 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So we are going to keep the first octet. Let me copy this down here. Copy down quickly. Good, done. I'm gonna keep this as fixed 0, and I will vary all the other frames. Then that's going to make it as the starting as 1, because the minimum value what I can keep here is what? 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, that's what the minimum value, and that's going to give me a result of 2 to the power 0. That's gonna give a result of 1, and the 2 what I can keep 0 1 1 2, I'm sorry, 1 1 1 3 4 ones, I'm sorry, remaining 1 2 3 4 4 ones, and this is going to give me a resulting value of what? 1. The total is cost. If I put everything as 1, that's going to give me as 128 minus this one. 1 is equal to, what happened? 0 is equal to 127. So even though we are not going to use 127 here, that's the reason why we have star here, and we are keeping it as 126. But the same way we can do for class B. I'll give an example of class B now, and for class C you can try. So it's going to be 128 to 191. Let's see what happens. So here I have to keep the last octet's last 2-bit 1 and 0. So with this value, the minimum, so yeah, these are the first octets. Don't forget this. Everything here I have written in the range is the first octet. So it's 1.000, it's 126.000, the first octet. I mean the last octet from the rightmost side, or the first octet from the leftmost side. Don't confuse here. So 1 0 is constant. The minimum value what I can give to all these x's are zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the maximum value what I can give is only ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I keep it as this, is gonna give me a result of 128, because it's 1, it's this 0 is 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. Here I'm gonna give a result of 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus this is 64. That's going to be the 0 plus this is 128. Alright, yaar. So let's see it as plus 128. Let me open quickly my calculator. Where is it? Calculator, come on. Okay, I'm doing this just to show you how to do this. 8 plus 16 plus what happens? 16 plus 32 plus 128. Oh my god, wait. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus, I'm doing some mistakes here. My god. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 128. Nice. So it's giving me a result of 191. Let's see above now. What I'm getting is 191. That was a simple trick. You can just remember this. If you forget this, usually it's nothing but 0, 1 added to the left bit, 1 0, again 1 added to the left bit, 1 1 0, again 1 added to the left bit, 1 1 0, again 1 added to the left bit, 1 1 0. And please remember thumb rule, we can have a maximum 4 ones if we get 0 here, because if I add 1 here, the 5th bit will become 0. It should not happen. We cannot cross the 4th bit. So if the 5th bit goes to 0 or any numbers, make it as x. That's the thumb rule. Just remember this, and you can easily remember the range of IP address of classes of IP address. And we will go with this question, why we have to use subnetting. So here, if I use a classful IP address, something but /8/16 slash 24, sorry, 24, the number of IP address is fixed. Like I cannot use slash 17. Of course I can use slash 17. If we don't use the subnetting, in that case we will end up with a short number of IP address. For example, a company wants an IP address. If I don't use the subnetting, in that case I can give only 10.0.0.0 slash 8. Yes, I cannot give slash 9 because I don't have subnetting. So when a RIP version 1 was released, we didn't had subnetting concept in the world. That's the reason RIP version 1 is a class full. That's the difference between RIP version 1 and version 2. So slash 8 we can give, or else I can give an IP address ranging between 128 to 191 with the class 16. I cannot use slash 17 because on those period we don't have subnetting. So currently we have subnetting. If we use subnetting slash 17 slash 18 slash 19 up to slash 23 inside class B, that's probably gonna increase my number of IP address ranges. I can give split it to multiple customers, so number of users can be easily increased. So nobody needs class 8 IP address. Nobody is going to use complete slash 16 IP address. Nobody is going to use slash 24 IP address. And that's the reason behind this. So in the next class we will see about